you still considering where to purchase that beautiful, modern, and peaceful home here in Accra? Then look no further than this beautiful 4-bedroom house located in a peaceful and developed area along the Heritage Christian University at Amasaman. Right behind the Heritage Christian University is your preferred choice. This 4-bedroom house is so beautiful and lovely. It's almost completed. It's about 90% completed. All right. And let me welcome to We Are Ghanaians channel, where we want all Ghanaians to live life to the fullest. You understand? Today, this beautiful discovery, it's got it all. You understand? This 4-bedroom house is going for $100,000, located at Amasaman behind the Heritage Christian University, and the area is so lovely. All right, this house can boast of it all. Do you understand? Each room has its own bathroom, all right, and there's a kitchen downstairs. The hall is big. The rooms are also very spacious. Do you understand? And each room has its bathroom, like I stated earlier. All right, so take a look around. The distance from this house to the airport is approximately 45 minutes. From this house, access to public transport, access to the market, access to barbering shops, on where to buy your groceries and everything, access to a organizer or a mechanic is also available over there. It's just a stone throw. From this place, you just have to pick a stone and enjoy it to anywhere you want to go, right? And then it's gonna hit. From this place to the main Amasaman Accra road, it's about 7 minutes walk and about 4 minutes drive. Alright, so this place is so good to live in. Alright, the place is very developed and the area is very peaceful. Right, so I think Heritage Christian University has hostels adjacent this area. So if you want to do any business, all right, if you want to do any business around this house, you can, have your people, your target customers, all right. So living in this place will be so lovely, right? As we speak, there are caretakers busily taking care of the house to make sure that the one who purchases it gets this house at a very safe, manner, right? So people are there making sure the place is clean and serene all the time. So this has been We Are Ghanaians channel. Thanks for having me, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to go and view this house, my numbers are on the screen. You can contact me so you go and view it. Have a lovely one out there.